Ayan, tumulog na.
Hello everyone, but before anything else, I would like to greet my beloved wife Joanne and to my kids, Kato like keeping Jing Badang. We are here in National Geographic expedition featuring Whittier, Alaska. As you can see around, actually, it's summer. And the best business here is halo-halo. Halo-halo.
Why?
Why? Because
Show to them, no?
so, I will show you here.
It's a lot of snow.
No.
Ah, too much halo-halo, no?
Pag may kaaway ka, if you have an
Ah.
enemy,
Oh,
here,
right. Huh.
see?
See? That's it?
That's what you call it, my bro.
Oh.
Respect like brother, all in together. Peace in unity.
Oh.
Can you love me? Actually, summer.
Oh.
Oh, look at me. Papa. Here is the snow. Here. Around. So, ang sabi nga nila, maging mapangahas. Mapadniliksik.
Maging
Mapagbatsyag. Mutang lawin.
mutang lang eh.
Break it down, bro. Break it down.
Right.
Break it down.